Good day, grade 10 students. Today, we are going to have a fun activity. I know that many of you loves to shop. Some of you even installed some shopping applications in your phone and adding items in your cart when you have enough money. And I know when you love to shop. Of course, it is when there is a big sale. So this time, as our lesson is about discount, we will have a garage sale type activity which is called One Day Big Sale. And hopefully, through this activity, you'll love to shop while learning valuable money skills. I know that you're all excited, and so let's not prolong the agony of waiting by knowing the mechanics of your activity for this day. The first mechanic is you should bring in few items that you would like to part with. So, you are to open your bag and look for items that you would like to part with. Then, as a class, we will decide upon how much each item will sell for. You can suggest the price that you want, and as a class, we will meet at a certain price and we will decide on how much each item will sell for. After that, I will give you a piece of paper where you are to create fun price tags to place on the items. Since we already decided the price, we will then be ready to create that fun price tags of the one you parted with. I will give each of you an envelope of plain money and I will allow you to take turns shopping for an item. And I will be your cashier. Once the items are labeled, tagged, and in place, you can already shop. But remember that we are in a one-day big sale. So I will decide as to what is the discount rate of each item. And don't worry because we will have up to 75% off. It will not be as easy as you think. So here's the challenge for you. You are to compute the sale price of the item that you chose. And of course, it will depend on the discount rate that I will give to that item. I am just reminding you that you cannot buy an item if you do not know the sale price. It is because what you are going to pay me is the sale price, not the original price anymore. So you really need to compute for it, and your computations will serve as your discount coupon. Therefore, you need to give your computations to me so that I can check if you computed it right. I hope that after having this activity, you'll be able to understand the value of money and you'll be able to understand the difference of buying an item on its original price with that of buying an item on its sale price. So, let's start. But before that, I, Marvin Postaza, your mathematics teacher, is reminding you to save more with the super savings bundle that the discount may give. Happy shopping!